Let's go to snowy New England. Tom Brady in the throwbacks. Cortland Finnegan, Nick Harper, and Vincent Fuller all out in the secondary for the Titans.
So you're setting up something there.
It's already 10-0 when we got a flea flicker to Tom Brady, who finds Randy Moss for the first pass of over 40 yards of the season. And Brady and Moss were just getting started in this quarter alone. A minute later, they got the ball back. Brady airing it out to Moss again, 28 yards.
That's 2.
Why not?
That's with 9 minutes to go in the quarter.
One-on-one, he wins every time.
Patriots have the ball back with 6.5 minutes to go in the quarter. Brady dumps it to Kevin Falk, and
nice blocking now.
like
Come on, big fella.
football touchdown.
Offense has the advantage in snow.
31-0.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's now, how much left in the half? 2 minutes to go in the half. More than enough time for Brady to find Wes Welker for a second time of the game. Wide open. 38-0. 17 seconds left till halftime. More than enough time for Brady to shoehorn in his 5th touchdown pass of the quarter.
I love Wes Welker.
That's a record for any quarter ever.
5 touchdowns, Rich.
In one quarter, and in the second half, 45-0.
Is that all?
The Hoodie sends his quarterback out back.
One more series. That's okay. One more series.
He's making up for
Rich.
last
one more
week.
series.
He's mad
Third
about
one.
last week.
See if you can get anything done.
Brady to Moss.
That's 3 for Moss.
52-0.
That's why you should have came back, senior. Say Al.
Yeah, I mean, say out. They
Vince
bring
is
in
like,
Vin-
don't bring me out here now.
At 59-0. That's when they bring Vince Young out.
And this is what Vince does.
You think he was a little chilly?
You think he was mad?
Combined, he and Collins threw as many completions to Patriots as Titans. Just 2. Just 2.
That's ridiculous.
As the 59-0 shutout is the largest in the history of the merged NFL, the Super Bowl era. And Tom Brady, he was on point. 6 touchdown passes on the day.
To tell you the truth, I didn't even know. I mean, I really didn't. I knew we were playing good. I knew that. You know, we were kind of going up and down the field, and it was good. I mean, we did a great job. Play calls were great. It was a fun day to be out there.